I'm Michelle Boyd-Waters with reThinkYourHosting.com and CreatorpreneurCollab.com. I am here today to talk to you about how to change the name servers when you have registered your domain name at GoDaddy. So we are going to hop on over to GoDaddy right now. I am already logged into my account. And of course, the first thing I want to do is go over here and click domain names. Well, that is not where you go to change your name servers. This is where you go to buy new stuff, which I'm going to run from there because I have a bad domain name habit, as you will see when I go to my name over here and go to my products. And it's going to take a moment to load. And let's see here. So I have several options in here. I'm going to choose one, a domain name that I'm really not using anymore, and I'm going to click DNS right over here. And once I'm in here, I'm going to scroll up or down. The page is going up. I guess I'm going down. Anyway, to the name server section. And what we're going to do is click this change button. As you can see, I already have some name servers in here. But if I wanted to change those to different name servers, we'd go here, and then it makes it easy to click these buttons, but actually I'm going to click right here and enter my own name servers. And so I'm going to take the name servers that I already have, and I'm going to change these to the new name servers. And if you have just purchased the domain name, it'll have GoDaddy's name servers in there. If you've been using the domain name, then it's going to have whatever you had before, whatever it was pointing at before. So you're just going to change them out. If, let's say, you only had 2 name servers that you were using before, and then I've sent you 3 if you are a hosting client, you'll have to click Add Name Server, and it'll do this. But I don't need that, so I'm going to delete it. So now we just hit Save. And it tries to sell something to me. I consent to the update. Don't need any of that. I'm gonna hit continue. And of course, it's going to want me to submit a code, which is good because you don't want people randomly changing your domain name. And I'm going to enter my code, which you will not be able to see. I've verified the code. I like they have a little contact us button right there. And we are done. It says hang tight. We're updating your name server so you can't edit your DNS settings until that's completed, which you are not going to need to do that. Let's see. Yep, it shows the new name servers right here. And that's all you have to do. It may take a little bit of time for GoDaddy to update your name servers and for your ISP, internet service provider, and your computer to update all of their caches. If you have some trouble with this, let me know. But that may not be an issue if you've never gone to the domain name before because you just bought it. If you've been using it and going to another website, then it may take a little bit of time. So if you're a new hosting client with me and you're having trouble getting to the new website when you know that you've made this change and I've built your website and it's just not working, let me know, and we can get that sorted out and get things figured out for you. So again, a quick reminder, I am with reThinkYourHosting.com and Creatorpreneur Collab. If you have any questions or if there's any way that I can help you build your online creative entrepreneurial business, let me know. I can't wait. Thank you and take care of yourself.